Stop everything you're doing because the tech world just shifted on its axis. You thought the M4 iPad Pro was fast. You thought that tandem OLED display was the peak of innovation? You were wrong. Apple is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the tablet industry, and it's called the iPad Pro M5. For years, we've been asking the same question. What is a computer? Apple's answer used to be a compromise. But with the M5, the compromise is officially dead. We are talking about a chip architecture that doesn't just compete with laptops. It obliterates them. In this video, we aren't just looking at leaks. We are looking at the leaked internal benchmarks that are currently terrifying the competition. We're talking about a total redesign of how we perceive portable power. If you're thinking about buying an M4 iPad right now, you might want to wait, because what I'm about to tell you will change your mind instantly. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the M5 silicon. Internal reports suggest that Apple is moving to a 2-nanometer process. To put that in perspective, that's like fitting a supercar engine into a smartphone body. The thermal efficiency alone is going to allow this iPad to run at peak performance without ever throttling. Imagine editing 8K ProRes video or rendering complex 3D environments on a device as thin as a notepad, without it even getting warm. This isn't just an incremental update. It's a generational leap that makes the current M4 look like a toy. But why does this matter to you? Because for the first time, the hardware is finally going to force the software to evolve. We've heard rumors of a specialized version of iPadOS specifically for the M5, one that finally brings true desktop-class multitasking. No more stage manager workarounds. We're talking about a system that understands you are a professional. Now look at the screen. You thought tandem OLED was bright? Apple is working on a new quantum dot OLED hybrid for the M5. The blacks will be deeper, the highlights will be blinding, and the refresh rate. Rumors are swirling about a 240 Hz ProMotion display. If you are a digital artist or a gamer, this is the holy grail. The latency with the Apple Pencil will be virtually zero. It will feel less like drawing on glass and more like drawing on reality. And speaking of the Apple Pencil, there's a secret feature no one is talking about. Haptic Feedback 2.0. Imagine feeling the texture of the canvas as you draw, or the click of a virtual button. The M5 iPad Pro is becoming a tactile experience, not just a visual one. But here's the real kicker. The reason you need to stay until the very end of this breakdown. There is a leaked feature called Target Display Mode Pro. For years, we wanted to use the iPad as a dedicated monitor for Mac, but Apple is flipping the script. The M5 iPad might be able to act as the primary brain for a desktop setup. Plug it into a studio display, and it transforms into a full macOS environment. This is the one-device future we were promised a decade ago. I know what you're thinking. Is it going to be expensive? Yes. Is it going to be worth it? If these specs hold true, it might be the last computer you ever buy. We are looking at a shift where the iPad isn't just an accessory to the Mac, it is the replacement. Think about the implications for AI. With the M5's new neural engine, Siri isn't just a voice assistant anymore. It's a local AI agent that can organize your entire life, edit your photos based on a single prompt, and manage your workflow without ever sending data to the cloud. This is privacy-focused